Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay without a credit card. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. You'll then choose debit card or prepaid card as your card type. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to input your card details, which usually involves scanning the card or entering the numbers manually. This process takes just a couple of minutes to complete. Many people wonder if Apple Pay is only for credit cards, but that's not the case. You can easily link debit cards from nearly all major banks, providing a direct connection to your checking account. Additionally, prepaid cards, like those from popular providers such as Green Dot or Netspend, are fully compatible. Some gift cards from specific merchants can also be added, expanding your payment options significantly. Always confirm with your card issuer for compatibility. Making a purchase with Apple Pay is incredibly straightforward and secure. When you're ready to pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for security. Hold your device near the contactless payment reader at the checkout. A quick check mark and the word "Done" will appear on your screen, confirming your transaction is complete in just a few seconds. Using Apple Pay, especially with a debit or prepaid card, offers fantastic benefits. It provides enhanced security through tokenization, meaning your actual card number is never shared with the merchant, protecting your financial information. Every transaction requires your authentication, adding a robust layer of protection against unauthorized use. It's a remarkably convenient and fast way to pay in stores, within apps, and online, helping you manage your spending by using funds directly from your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.